This is for Chief Justice Roberts and the Supreme Court. I never got a trial. I've been held illegally in 2 different states. Property was taken from me because I was making a documentary about the war on drugs, N62528. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best in 11 years. Yeah, took me 11 years to get here, but here I am. That's the 1964 Public Accommodations Act, access in the courts, all right? So you got to give me access to the grand jury. That's Erek Barron of the Department of Justice. That's Jared Germanis from the Board of Elections. That's Jared Germanis. I'm a free black man. I own me, I own all parts of me. President Trump got this. We already know that President Trump is a racist, so we don't want Dan Cox in here. We don't want Dan Cox in Baltimore. So I'm supporting Wes Moore. Wes Moore for governor. I'm supporting Wes Moore for governor. I'm also a member of Out for Justice, voter registration. You feel me? Out for Justice. And we talking about Baltimore County, because Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Baltimore County ain't. And we talking about Scott Shellenberger. All right? Tough on crime. No, he tough on black people. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. All right? Shorty, pull your mask up. Y'all know me for mic check. That's why he said, Shorty, pull your mask up. That's the IRS. We need a federal and state audit. That's President Biden. All right? Y'all got to criminally charge Scott Shellenberger. He won his office. Just like Nathan, y'all got to prosecute him. Y'all can't shield corruption. I can't run into a movie theater and holler fire if ain't no fire. That's what Scott Shellenberger did. I used the toilet. I was potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. That's Ryan Dorsey. You feel me? They will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, just because it's you. You feel me? That's my Community Verizon Award. That's my Crown Award. That's Erek Barron of the Department of Justice. Like I said, I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. Y'all got so mad. So contact Clarence Lamb. Contact Anthony Muse. Contact Jose D. Sabadie, Juvenile Justice Monitoring Unit. Contact Glass. Contact Corey McCrae. Frank Conway destroyed evidence. Senator Brochin had evidence. Jazzy Lewis, Mary Washington, Delegate Ray. Like I said, go to Chief Hyatt's office. Ask Jory Lolopolo for my criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. She's with the police department now. That's President Biden. That's President Biden. That's the Department of Justice, Ronald Davis. That's Governor Hogan and Al Redmer. That's the IRS. And that's Ed Norris. Y'all got him on Fox 45 speaking against black people, and he's a criminal himself. Like I said, Board of Elections, voter suppression in the 2022 elections. See the date? They got that in July of 2022. Out for Justice. That's the Department of Justice. That's Johnny Oleski asking for a full investigation in 2019. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? I'm an artist. You feel me? And they've been lying to you. I need a federal and state audit. You never audited me. You also accepted forged checks. Marilyn Mosby destroyed evidence. That's the Department of Justice, Civil Rights Division, Ryan King. That's Sheila Dixon. That's Bazemore. Bazemore's going to be my witness. He was in Kamenetz's office when Kamenetz was alive. Mass incarceration created the system in Maryland. I created the system in Maryland. Yes. That's Delegate Smith. She's going to be my witness. And that's Whitey. That's my dog. You feel me? Right here clearly states it was art, peace, and evidence. That's what the toilet was. So we're going to take all this information to the Department of Justice and to the grand jury. Release all material to the voters before November. Release everything to the voters before November. Shorty, the video vigilante. Yeah, got a story called Shorty. My name ain't changed. My number ain't changed and my name ain't changed. You feel me? Ain't nothing changed about me. That's Dwight Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon, Billy Murphy. Yeah, Malcolm Ruff. These lawyers that claim to be representatives of the black community been selling y'all out. That's my property. That's Johnny Oleski. Y'all know me for this. Mic check. Like I said, go to Chief Judge Mary Barbera. She had it since 2020. That's the Creative Alliance. August 2015. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. I'm making a movie about the Democratic Party. Ask Westmore and Kwaise. Ask the new lens, because we're going to take a new look. Ask Richard Berman, because he did my books. He did the Minority Report. He did my books. Media wars are real. You feel me? Media wars are real. And that's Brooke Lierman. Since you the new controller, you got to give me an audit. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Stephanie Rawlins Blake 2015. You feel me? See the date? That's 2013. This is Governor Hogan's award. State of Maryland, Governor of the State of Maryland, Weaving, better known to be on behalf of the citizens of the state in recognition. That's a governor's citation. All right, that's a governor's citation. And that's the Weaver Award right here. All right, that's the Weaver Award right there. Weaving in Baltimore, weaving the social fabric. That's Mayor Brandon Scott, and that's me. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best in 11 years. So Bill Ferguson, Adrian Jones, y'all got to produce that paperwork. I got a right to film the police. You feel me? And y'all gonna see toilets all over the city all over again. It's my anniversary. It's my anniversary. Ask Governor Hogan how many toilets he got. Governor Hogan got a toilet every year he been in office. Asking. Potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. Potty training politicians. I'm building a toilet for Towson because my anniversary is coming up on September the 13th. All right, September the 13th is my anniversary. So this toilet is going to go in Towson. It's criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. And I go to jail, but you got to bring this toilet. We're going to do it again. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we on mask in Baltimore. August 2015. That's the barcode. Check it. The Baltimore beat. We'll open the toilet up. See that? This is from 1986. Dwayne Davis, Shorty. I'm the same Shorty now that I was then. Possession of cocaine. You feel me? This was about the war on drugs. So it's right here for the Baltimore beat to talk about. We're going to beat the streets with this. And we was all about Shellenberger. This toilet is for Scott Shellenberger to be disbarred and criminally charged. You feel me? Disbarred and criminally charged. And Erek Holder got that evidence. So does Marilyn Mosby. This is what you did to me. A guilty plea. Christmas Eve bomb threat. See the date? 2007. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. Dwayne Shorty Davis told the Lake County Court. Alright? He had no choice but to plead guilty to disorderly conduct for making a bomb threat. I had no choice and I took the charges back. So I won a trial. I never got a trial. That's parole and probation. You feel me? So like I said, I got toilets. I'm flushing careers down the hole. That's Kwaisa and Fume. Everything that Kwaisa and Fume got, he got to give up. Everything that Angela Asherbrook had since she was a representative, she got to give up. Everything.
When you know you are in trouble and your butt begins to bubble, diarrhea, diarrhea. When your stomach is in pain and you're making chocolate rain, diarrhea, diarrhea. When you do a little dab and it gets chilly in your pants, diarrhea, diarrhea. When it feels like chicken soup but it's really liquid poop, diarrhea, diarrhea. When you're driving in your car and your house is just too far and your belly starts to roll it, you're cleaning out your colon and you're about to fart and spew and there's nothing you can do and you really want to shout. It keeps on dripping out. Diarrhea.
That's been jealous. I got singing toilets. I got squirting toilets. And I got flushing toilets. I got books. And this is one of them. Baltimore Rewired. All about Scott Shellenberger. See the barcode? They for sale. These are the other books. Social Media for Social Change. The Cover-Up Crew. You feel me? And my store on Falls Road. That's the coach at Towson. And I'm still Shorty. It's a time to pee. And we getting ready to potty train you. It's all about the 13th Amendment. Brooke, Lierman, Perez, Carter, Kwaise, Stephanie Smith, Brian Frost, Mosby, Jill P. Carter, Visions of the Night.